Hi, today we're going to talk about how to represent the data in tabular form in Tableau, which is also known as the table calculation. So for doing this, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So for creating the table calculation, I'll take the subcategory dimension and I'll drop it onto the row shelf. After that, I'll take the measures name and I'll drop it onto the column shelf. So this major name dimension contain the names of all the majors which are present into our dataset. So after that, I'll take the majors value and I'll drop it onto the text. So now, as you can see, our all data is now showing onto a table, which is count of orders, discount, profit, quantity, and sales of the subcategories. So if you want to know your if you want to know the value according to the region wise, so for that you just have to drag the region and drop it onto the row shelf on the left of subcategory. So now, as you can see, our data has been divided into four different types, which is four different regions. So first is central region, second is east region, then south, and then west. So this is how we can create the table calculation on Tableau. And also, if you can change the value of the data according to the only according to the percentage. So for doing that, let's say if you want to change the sales value to the percentage. So for that, you just have to go to onto the measures value card, which is below the marks card. So click on drop down field on the sales field. After that, go to the quick table calculation and then select percentage of total. So now, as you can see, our percentage of total, another column has been added. So here you can see the percentage of each of the subcategory according to the region. So this is showing about on Eastern region. This is East region, and this is South, and this is West. And also, if you want to know the if you want to know the data according to the category wise, you just have to drag the category and drop it onto the row shelf. So now, as you can see, our data is further divided into three different types according to the category, which is furniture, office supply, and the technology. So in the furniture, we can say uh, in the furniture category, the further data is divided into four different types according to the region. As you can see on the table, here it is central, east, south, west, and also on the office supply category, we can see our data is further divided into uh, four different types according to the region. So here we can do the table calculation on Tableau. Thanks.